How to return an item on Amazon without its original delivery box. Well, hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, let me guide through the steps on how you can return item on Amazon without original box. Well, you can do so by initiating the return online and selecting a no box, no label or option. So start your return. So open up Amazon Shopping either on web or the app, then go to your orders page. Once you head into orders, make sure to from your completed orders, tap on that particular order and proceed to select return or replace item option. Then choose a reason for return and crucially select a label free or box free return option when available. Then Amazon will provide a QR code after you complete the steps. Take the time and the QR code to the designated, take the item and the QR code to the designated drop-off location. This store staff or kiosk will scan the code, package the item and send it back to Amazon. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.